Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which finds the kth ancestor of a node in a binary tree. First, let us take an example. For example, in the below given binary tree, second ancestor of node 4 and node 5 is 1. Now, let us see the algorithm. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We assume that we have to find the second ancestor of node 4. So, we pass 1 as root, 4 to node and 2 to k in the kth ancestor DFS function. The first if condition is not satisfied as the root is not null. In the second if condition, we check if root's data is node. As it is false, we take a temp node and pass the left subtree of root, so root will point to 2. Again, as root is not null and it is not equal to node, we pass the left child of 2, which is 4. Now, the second if condition is satisfied and we check if k is greater than 0. As it is true, we decrement k. Since k is not 0, we return root to the previous call. So, 4 is returned to the previous call. Again, as k is greater than 0, we decrement k. Hence, k will now be 0 and we return root to the previous call. Now, as k becomes 0, we print the root and return null. Hence, 1 is the second ancestor of node 4. Now, let us have a look at the time complexity of the program. This code will run in big O of n complexity. Here, n are the number of nodes in the binary tree. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.